So now I'm going to make use of what we call separator. It says it's used to break your contents. So I'm going to click on it, and here it is. So I just want to make a kind of clear difference or break the contents. This is a video, so I want to write something here again. It's just to break the content. Also, I'm going to show you how to add map. Sometimes your map can be added from online source, or sometimes if you have your map in image format, that is JPEG format, or you can bring it in through image if your map is in image format already. Before I add my map, I'm going to write, then to bring in map, you click here, map, then it will take you to all the maps you have. For instance, I have created some map that I can pick, and let's say for instance I pick this map. It's going to give me the option to edit it before I bring it in. Let's say I want to zoom in, and it's going to come in this way. So let's say I want to bring in the one showing this Pitt County. I'm just going to save it, and I will have it here. If you have your map in image format, you can also bring it in through image. Add it, and this is the map. So this map has been created and has been saved to JPEG format. That's why I can bring it in through my image. So that's how to add map. I'm going to use separator again to break the contents, because I'm going to go to another thing. Effect of water, of polluted water. I want to make it better more. So I'm going to type briefly. And for this, I'm going to bring in what we call Sidecar. You also come to your content block. You scroll down to Sidecar. So I'm going to click on Sidecar. We have different types of layout for Sidecar. We have the docked, the floating, and the slideshow. So firstly, I'm going to use this dock. Once I click it, I'll click save, and I'm going to have it saved. So what this does is that it helps you to give you the access to add image, the video, code, map, embed, swipe, follow, whatsoever it is that you want to add. So I'm going to add an image. So once you add your image, you can see it's kind of big. So I want to set it fit. So now I can see the full image. And one thing about it is that it will give me the access to type here. Depending on whatsoever you want to type. And so what this does is that it takes you to bring in your image and everything, your media, as I said earlier, and you can type by the side. So whosoever is scrolling through your story will see that, okay, you are talking about this image. Also, you can add more images and stories. Then I'm going to add another sidecar, the floating, save, the difference, can you see the difference between this one? But this, once I add my image, see it's too big. Don't forget to change it to fit. See, now it's fitted, and this you can type. So one thing about this is that it is going to be moving, unlike this one. This one is static, goes by the side, but this one is all over the picture. And remember, you can edit a picture as well, save it. Now I'm going to be making use of another thing called embed. For embed, we're going to click this content block. You can see it's able to incorporate web app, dashboard, social media posts, or anything you want to incorporate into your StoryMap. So you click it, it's always ask you to put in the link you want to embed, then you add it, and boom, this is it. So that's how it works.